What are you trying to do, Op? Trying to get out? Whoa! Good thing you're deaf, huh? You think you're gonna climb out? Are you done swimming? Go splash for me! Go splash for me, Doves.
Okay, I'll go splash for you. There's a
Whoop, you got out. You fell in the mud. You fell in the mud. Are you gonna play in the mud? Where are you gonna go now? Look at that pretty girl. You gonna swing? Hi.